So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove the back bonnet from Ford Fiesta MK7. So we have some screws that we need to undo, so these two over here, these two over here, but before all of that you need to remove the electricity. So here are the cables and here is the for the water and all of that. After you have to take this also away. So this part is kind of harder because there is some stuff you need to do. First you have this bad boy over here. You need to take it out. Use some plastic tool, so you can do it like this. So just pull it out. It's a smaller one, but what's that for? So you can take this down, because you'll be in need to put it a little bit down. Be careful, you don't want to break this. After that, take out this plastic over here, and you can see, I'm not sure if you can, but this one you have to take out that down there. I'm gonna remove this plastic as well. So then you just click it and pull it out. You will always try to make the least amount of this assembly, but that's something you have to do. So after that you can see where it go all around, so you need to take it out. Same goes from the other side, but here you have that water over here, so that's something we need to take out. Let me take it. So as you can see here, they spin and the water line is over here, so you can just pull it out. You can pull it out like this. There will be a little dripping. After that it goes up over here, throughout there, and so basically like this. So, and then you just have to take this electricity out here. So that's that cable that we took the first out. So once you prepared the cable and the line, you can take this out. So basically take that up, this, and then you just click it over here to take it out from this side and from the other side as well. You can even try to do it from the inside, but it's a little bit harder. So basically take this so this one holding it this side as well, and there is one more on this side. After that you just pull everything out. So prepare it like this. This should be a two-man job, but it's possible to do it alone. This one as well. This one goes kind of easier. You just pull it out. So that's that. And after that you're gonna need a 10. So a 10 for these bad boys. So unscrew them. It's gonna be harder for me to show it by one hand. You unscrew those, one man unscrewing, one man holding the bonnet, and you can take just this one out. It's kind of easy. So you just unclip it and it goes kind of easy out. Same goes for this side as well. You click it over here, pull it out. So once you're unscrewed these, you just pull it like that. So basically I'm gonna unscrew these two pieces, these four, and take it out. So yeah, best is if you are two, but it can be done as one man job. It's not just that easy. So the way I do it is I take these two out and this third one full, and then you can unscrew this last one, and the hood will go a little bit down. After that you just take and you can take it out. So yeah, that's my way on doing it alone, but it's always better if you are two. So as you can see, it's not that hard. It's possible even by one man, nothing overly too fancy. So yeah, I hope this can help you. If you have any questions about how to, or any kind of info on Ford cars, yeah, write comments. If I know or I can help you, it's no problem. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help grow the channel, and I'm gonna keep doing these ones as much as I can. So basically, yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope I can help you, or I hope this helps you in for whatever reason. Check out the rest of the videos. I did upload a lot, so it will help grow the channel. So thank you and see ya.